Good morning to all. This is Dr.S.VALLUVAN from MBA. Now we move to the next topic, difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. In trading, investing and finance, two approaches help investors analyze market and securities. Fundamental and technical analysis. Each helps evaluate investment opportunities and many traders blend both for a more comprehensive view. Fundamental analysis focuses on the quality of an asset, while technical analysis looks at the market trend as an indicator of value. Fundamental analysis evaluates the securities by trying to measure their intrinsic value. Technical analysis focuses on the statistical trend in stock price and volume over time. Both methods are used for researching and forecasting future trend in stock prices. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is used in finance to evaluate the intrinsic value, the real worth of an security, whole sectors and markets. For a company stock, fundamental analysis is used to scrutinize some income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statements. It is generally for those looking for a long-term value. Hence, those performing this kind of analysis are trying to calculate how much the company will make in future against its present value. A stock trading below the company's intrinsic value is generally seen as a promising, while the opposite is true for those trading below it. The outcome of the analysis can lead to buying, holding or selling securities. The main tools of fundamental analysis. The approaches seeks to uncover the intrinsic value of a security, such as stock or currency, using these main tools. Financial statements. This includes a company's income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Economic indicators like gross domestic product growth, inflation, unemployment rate are used to understand the economic environment in which a company operates. Interest rate. Central bank interest rates can significantly affect an investment value. Higher interest rates generally lead to lower stock prices, while lower rates boost stock prices. News and events. Company news such as earnings reports, new contracts and regulatory changes affect stock prices. Qualitative information. This includes details about the management quality, industry cycle, competitive advantage and other non-quantifiable factors that affect company stocks. Then we'll move to technical analysis. Technical analysis evaluates financial assets such as stocks, currencies or commodities by reviewing his historical prices and volume data. Unlike fundamental analysis, technical analysis focus on the volume and the prices of shares over time. Simplifying more than a little, where those using fundamental analysis portray themselves as a sober-minded investigators uncovering real value in the economy. Those who use technical analysis starts from the view that markets are inefficient and price patterns and trends in the market data can be exploited for potential profit. The main tools of technical analysis. Indicators. For example, based on the price, volume, open interest to predict the future price. The indicators are generally based on momentum or mean reversion. Volume analysis. This studies the number of shares, lots, contracts traded in a security or market during a certain period. Relative strength. This metric compares the performance of an asset to benchmark to gauge its momentum. Chart pattern analysis. The study of price movements in a market pinpoints patterns that can suggest future activity. Candlestick pattern analysis. This kind of financial chart used for price movement could indicate investor sentiment, market trend or reversal of both of those trends. Support and resistance. These are the horizontal lines drawn on a price chart to indicate where a security's price will be unlikely to move beyond. Trend analysis. This is interpreting past and present moves in the market to predict the future asset prices historical prices, and trading volume are the most often used. Now we move to the difference between difference between fundamental technical analysis. Meaning, the fundamental analysis is a detailed examination of factors that influence the industry, company, financial statements, competitions, and much more. Whereas technical analysis includes the examination of chart for making predictions on share price. It's data driven and used to understand the patterns in the share price of stocks. As far as the function is concerned, fundamental analysis more investment related, whereas technical analysis is a trading related. Time frame, fundamental analysis is a long term, technical analysis is short term. Objectives of the fundamental analysis is to identify the true value of the stock, that is intrinsic value, whereas technical analysis focusing on to identify the right time to enter or exit the market. Fundamental analysis both past and present data, whereas technical analysis based on past data only. Thank you.